cut the curve, struggling with generating consistent leads and managing current leads and prospects. Any tips? As far as generating consistent leads, I gave you guys a really good tip this morning. You can use a list service. You can do a lot. If you're local, you can do a lot of local marketing. The best way to do it is going to be having something where you can pull a stacked list. PropStream is great for that. Give those guys a try. I mean, literally for less than 1 penny per lead, you can pull 10,000 leads a month. It's $97. You can get it for 7 days for free. Just go to sub2data.com, SUB2data. You can have all the leads you can imagine. If you're local, go to the courthouse. Pull the very best leads right from there. Divorces, evictions, foreclosures. Of course, foreclosures are really coming back. So there's a big opportunity there. Hey guys, thanks for watching. While you're here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and check out these other great videos and podcast episodes.